skape gif bring. Plaas my in 'n soorte klas wat vermoor en strafsom glo vas dat 'n bose magie met woorde krag. Dis hoekom as ek in hierdie hoë gesag, ek kom met gaas voor 'n dag, maar hulle neem nie die brase vermoë in ag. So, ek sal my verbeelding afdwing as ek ryme slat wanneer ek penne gryp. Ek sal in jou keel en afspring soos 'n yskepak met penne uit en penetrate. Al 111.000 jy jou vel na buite, sy sal ek spin het van die alreise. Ek sal gedagtes met ryme buig deur die melkweg op 'n lyn te skryf, want my pen is my ruimtetuig en die ink is my brandstof. Ek tref om in 'n 11 mil deur die sterrestelsel so vinnig tyd laat dit lyk die wêreld staan stil.
Yeah.
Normally when they hear us speak Afrikaans, like because I'm from Cape Flats, then they will hear us speak Afrikaans and it'll be like, it's a colored guy, you see. So even like most of the people, sometimes they feel so inferior, man, when they hear the Afrikaans people speak, then it's like, you're praat mooi Afrikaans, then they feel inferior. So what I'm actually trying to do with rhymes is basically so that it is possible also for our kind of people to also speak like that, but it doesn't mean that you have to change or conform or conform to any other sort of idea that they want you to be. So that's basically what it's about.
Sorry, man, enough. You have to do something. I know, but.
Anyway,